Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So today we will see journal entries and ledger accounts. How to prepare these? Same problem as I have taught you in the first class. Same problem, same table. I have taken problem, I have cleared it because writing the journal entries. So you have already taken this, right? So to this problem, how to write journal entries in the books of lessee. Lessee means a person who has taken land or building anything on royalty basis, okay. So in the books of lessee, how to write the journal entries we will see. Very simple to understand, need not to worry much. First thing is that royalty year wise 1990, 91, 92, 93, 90, 91, 92, 93. 3 entries will get, 3 entries every year. So total 12 entries. First year will focus. First entry it comes always. Anyway, most of the time first year there will be short workings, right? So we will write first entry royalty account debtor, short workings account debtor to landlord. See, royalty account debtor, short working debtor to landlord. Means how we are creating this royalty and short workings to say that we are writing this journal entry. By the way, journal entries format, you know, in the beginning days of financial accounting we have learned date, particulars, LF, debit, credit, all these columns as it is you have to prepare. I am not showing you because of less time, less place. Anyway, you have an idea, right? So in the same format you have to write this. First entry comes to royalty account debtor, short working account debtor to landlord account, okay. Royalty debtor, short working debtor to landlord means how we are going to pay to the landlord, how we are going to pay royalty together short workings, together it is going to pay, okay. Or you can say first entry is here for creating royalty created at the rate of 1 rupee 50 paisa and with a short workings of 6,500. So total it is 20,000. This is first entry. Second entry is always common for paying it to the landlord. Every year you are paying something amount to the landlord. Now for that, when we are paying to the landlord is the receiver. Landlord account debtor to bank account. Always same entry. Debit the receiver, credit what goes out. Debit the receiver means receiver is landlord. So landlord account debtor to bank account. Credit what goes out. Landlord account debtor to bank account. How much we are paying? 20,000. 20,000. For the second entry always you have to see this column, what is the amount paid to the landlord, right? Now third entry is that royalty always we have to transfer it to the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account, where does it comes? Royalty means it's a payment. So profit and loss account debit side you will write. So for that purpose third entry is profit and loss account debtor to royalties account. Profit and loss account debit side you are writing to royalties account. So that is why profit and loss account debtor to royalties account. Which amount you will write? Only this column only you have to focus for this third entry. 13,500 profit and loss account debtor to royalty account over first year. Am I clear? First year, first entry is royalty debtor, short working debtor to landlord. Second entry landlord account debtor to bank account. Third entry is profit and loss account debtor to royalty account. See, without seeing at the journal entries I told you, no? Simple, easy to remember. In the same way second year also. Second year also we have short workings. Once again same entry comes. Royalty account debtor, short working debtor to landlord. Royalty debtor, short working debtor to landlord. Royalty 18,000, short working 2,000 and paid to landlord 20,000. Same like this one only. And second entry as usual paying to landlord debtor to bank account. Same entry always, second entry is same. Amount paid is 20,000. Third entry is here royalty we have to transfer to the profit and loss account. So profit and loss account debtor to royalty account. Clear? Now coming to the third year. Whenever we have short workings, this entry is like this. Whenever we have recoupment, surplus or recoupment, then little change will be there. What is that change? First entry is here. We don't write short workings in the first entry. We don't write. we'll just write royalty account attached to landlord account, because third year we don't have short workings. We have simply royalty of 24,000 and 20,000 is the minimum rent. Anyway, we are going to pay to the landlord 24,000. There is no short working, so we need not to mention anything. We are not creating short workings. We need not to mention it in the first entry. Royalty account attached to landlord account. Okay. Second entry, landlord is getting amount of 24,000 here. Okay. Landlord account attached to bank 20,000 and short workings 4,000. Actually it is here paid to landlord is 24,000 we are saying, but 4,000 is short workings. So that is why we will say to bank 20,000 and short workings 4,000. Okay. Short workings, rather than in the first entry, it comes in the second entry credit side. First entry debit side, there whenever we have short workings, whenever we are recouping the short workings, second entry credit side it comes. This small change, remember. And in the same way, when we are transferring royalty to the profit and loss account, we will write profit and loss account attached to royalty and also short workings. Short workings also loss, na? So both together we are transferring to the profit and loss account. These two entries you have to remember. Now coming to the third year. Third year is no surplus, surplus is there, but no short workings, no recoupment. Simply whichever is high, that is paid to the landlord, right? So simply you can write royalty account attached to landlord account, same one, this one only, royalty account attached to landlord, no short workings. So directly royalty attached to landlord. Second entry as it is, royalty account attached to bank account, this one, how much paid? 24,000. Sorry, this is 24,000. Why did I write 30,000? Minimum rent is here. Oh yeah, fourth year, no? So okay, fourth year. So paid to the landlord is 30,000. Okay. First entry is here, royalty attached to landlord 30,000. Second entry is paid to the landlord 30,000. Landlord attached to bank account. And fourth entry is here, royalty we have to transfer to the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account attached to royalty account. That's it, simple journal entries. Am I clear? Only whenever short workings are there, it comes here, short workings. Okay? Whenever recoupment of short workings are there, second entry credit side and also third entry credit side, recoupment. And here there is no short workings, no recoupment, simple entries. Right? If you understand, first take screenshot. Have you noted this journal entries? Now if you understand this, I will rub this everything and will prepare ledger accounts. Okay. Now we will see ledger accounts. Journal entries you understood, now posting into the ledger, that's it. What are the ledger accounts we have to prepare? First thing is that landlord, royalty, short workings. Only three accounts we have to prepare. Landlord, royalty, short workings. How many years are there? 1990, 91, 92, 93, 4 years. Okay. So for royalty, landlord, short workings, open the ledgers. Posting, you know, first we will focus on the 1990 year. First we are focusing on royalty account. Royalty, where is royalty? It's here. Royalty account attached to short working to landlord. So royalty is on the debit side. Debit side, so we are taking on the debit side. Royalty, opposite one is landlord. So landlord we have posted. To landlord, 13,500. This one we have posted. Clear? And where is royalty? It's here. Same year. Okay. Royalty is on the credit side. By P&L account. Credit side, no? So we are writing by P&L account, opposite one. So 13,500 over. Okay. In the same way, second year also. Second year, where is royalty? It's on the debit side. So to landlord. And royalty is on the profit and loss account. So here. So royalty is on the credit side. So by P&L account. Same thing comes every time. Royalty account, whenever you open debit side to landlord by P&L account. Same amount, royalty amount only you are writing. To landlord by P&L account first year. Second year also to landlord by P&L account. Like this. If you check the journal entries, same thing you will find it. Okay. Now coming to the landlord account. Landlord account, if you see, first year, where is the landlord? Landlord is on the credit side, first entry. Credit side. So credit side we have written by royalty account 13,500, by short working 6,500. First entry landlord is posted. Second entry we have landlord once again. Landlord is on the debit side. So you will write it on the debit side to bank. To bank 20,000 posted. Over. Okay. In the same way second year. Second year where is landlord? Landlord is debit side. So debit side we are writing, landlord is first entry we have credit side. So credit side we are writing landlord by royalty 24,000, this one. Sorry, second year is this year, no? So second year, first entry is here, landlord is credit side. Credit side means credit side we are writing royalty 13,500. Landlord, no, landlord is here yeah, first year this is. First year is landlord 13,500, 6,500 we have written. And once again to bank. Okay. Second year we have, second year is this one, 1991 year. 1991, landlord is credit side. Credit side what is there? Debit side, royalty and short working. Posting on the credit side, royalty 18,000 and short workings 2,000. Okay. And second entry is here, landlord at to bank. Landlord is debit side. Debit side means 20,000. We are writing on the debit side to bank, opposite one. Okay. Third year, where do we have landlord? First entry 24,000 credit side. So first entry credit side we are writing opposite one, royalty. By royalty 24,000. Next landlord you are finding in the second entry. Second entry landlord is debited. Debited means debit side you are writing to bank to short workings. Okay, over. And now third year. Third year where do we have landlord? First entry credit side. Credit side means by royalty, here by royalty 30,000. Second entry landlord is debited. So debit side to bank 30,000. Like this landlord entries, landlord ledger is over. Now in the same way coming to the short workings. Short workings. When do we have short workings? Only first 2 years we had the short workings. Third year recoupment. Fourth year no short workings, right? As per the table. Now if you see the journal entries, short workings, where is the short workings? First year debit side. So I am writing on the debit side opposite one, landlord. Debit side landlord. To landlord, short workings amount is 6,500 posted here. Is there any short workings? No, only one entry. So this entry, no other entries. So balance carry forward, and next year balance brought down, same amount 6,500. Second year short workings once again on the debit side. Debit side what do you say? To landlord 20,000. Total it comes to 8,500. Is there any other entry? Second year? No. So this is carried on to next year. Carried on and brought down to the third year. Third year is, where is the short workings? It is on the second entry. Second entry credit side. Credit side means here we will write. Credit side means we will write by landlord amount of 4,000 only. 4,000. Once again third entry we have short workings. It is also on the credit side. So credit side we are writing opposite one, profit and loss account. How much? This one 4,500. So total it comes to both the sides equal. Short workings account is over in 3 years only, because fourth year there is no short workings, there is no recoupment of short workings. When you see short workings account, when you find short workings, you will write it on the debit side. Here it comes to landlord. First year short working 6,500 to landlord you will say. Second year also we had short workings to landlord. Whenever there is any recoupment, then we will say by landlord, and also transfer to the profit and loss account. Over fourth year, no short working. See, did you find any short workings? No. No recoupment, no short working. So, there is no entry in the fourth year. Am I clear? Simple, easy way to remember is that journal entries understand. If you understand journal entries, just simply posting, just simply without any confusion. Draw these accounts, royalty account, landlord account, short workings account, post it. Simultaneously you can post it. I have posted in fact simultaneously to save the time. I have prepared directly and showing you. If you want me to prepare, I will prepare one by one only, first year by year. First year I will post everything, and second year I will post like this. Simultaneously you can do it. Are you clear? If you understand journal entries, ledger accounts with this class, next class onwards directly I will teach you the table, not journal entries, ledger account. That is your work, you have to do it. If you understood it, you can prepare it, right? Now, right now you take the screenshot or note down. Understood? Please write it in the comment box. Let me know how much you are understanding. And there are many subjects which are already prepared. Please check it out and forward these videos. There are many poor students who cannot pay the fee. Let them to utilize these free classes. Knowledge is inevitable. How much you want, you can gain it. There are many ways. This is also one of the way, free of cost. So please forward it, use it, study well, and have a bright career. Good luck.